Shit, that thing, pretty sure that's what it was.
Sure.
Like, I think that's what made him get double hit. I don't know.
I'm pretty sure it's
I've
just
never
the
seen that
application of the
before.
sickle.
4, 3, 2, 1.
It hit the same second though. I don't know.
Cloudburst Totem.
Yeah, I don't know.
Wait for tank soak and tornadoes here.
Sir.
Haunt.
2, 1.
Then Gary to bait at the door after we dodge here. Dodge and then bait. Bait at the door. Bait at the door.
Sir.
Macros
Careful,
here.
no.
Macros.
Cloudburst Totem.
Away we go.
Totemic Recall.
And then yeah, you follow the order. And Falgo.
Ancestral Guidance.
Gary to dodge here, guys.
Sir.
Dodge. And Gary for macros here in a second. Macros.
Ascendance.
Shoots the time spell. Tyler go.
Cloudburst Totem. Spirit Walker's Grace.
Tipsy go.
Monotide Totem.
And then Bog go. Shoots time spell.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Sir. Mana Potion. Sir. Cloudburst Totem.
Hey, Gary for tank soaks and tornadoes here.
Haunt.
Spirit Link Totem.
Gary to dodge and we're baiting by the fire.
Sir.
Dodge and then bait. Bait. Try to please get to the fire, guys. Macros here. Acro go.
Cloudburst
Gary for
Totem.
tank soaks tornadoes soon. Fort go.
Sir. Healing
And then
Tide
Dungus go.
Totem.
Dodge, guys. Just, don't be too far away. Don't be too far here. Puddle spawning. And then Gary for macros here in a second. Macros. I'm going first.
Cloudburst Totem.
What would be time for all? Iman go.
Windrush Totem.
Infel go.
2,
What would be time?
3, 4, 5.
Ancestral Guidance. Sir.
We'll come back into the gateway soon here. Here to gateway.
Sir.
Heal me, please.
Totemic
Okay, care
Recall.
for tank soaks and tornadoes. Just
Cloudburst
bring it.
Totem.
Fuck, it's gonna be weird. Just range, you guys just need to make sure you do a good job baiting in that cubby area.
Sir.
Soaks, guys. Dodge and bait. Here to bait here. Good baits here. Good bait, please. Good job. Okay, for macros here. Macros, watch the orb spawn to the boss. Boots go.
Cloudburst Totem.
Bitsy go.
Sir.
And then Blicky go. Sorry about that. Red draft. I'm pretty good. Macros here. Macros.
Cloudburst Totem.
Silver go. Bog go. True time tomorrow. We lost here as well. That's 4.
2, 3, 4, 5.
Cloudburst Totem. Sir.
Yeah. Can we,
Sir.
this next tank stuff, can we
Cloudburst
rally as
totem.
well, please?
Yeah.
And Napping Darkness, maybe. Give her tank stuff and tornadoes here.
Spirit Link Totem. Ancestral
Okay,
Guidance.
dodge and we're baiting. Make sure we do a
Sir.
good bait here. Dodge and bait. Bait. Oh, way far ahead. Macros here, macros. Don't get
Cloudburst Totem.
acro go.
Totemic Recall. Sir.
Oibi go.
10,
Trying to spawn fire to
more bait,
Healing
here,
Tide
if we-
Totem.
dodge,
Dodge, guys. Dodge. We have some shitty fire. We just have
Sure.
to deal with that. Macros here. Macros. Please don't die to these. Don't get hit by the
Cloudburst
orbs here.
Totem.
Adept go. Everyone else get to the middle. Get to the middle.
Spirit Walker's
Please
Grace.
do your best to stay alive. Can we get a
Monotide
time
Totem.
spiral? Infal go.
Ancestral Guidance.
Looky, please don't get hurt early
Link
here.
Rush Totem.
Okay, Looky go.
Sir.
2, 3, 5,
Cloudburst
Yeah,
Totem.
there's a point at the gateway, which does it get a gateway to the outside somewhere?
I'm dead.
After come in here and get the gateway. Oh, we just killed it. Okay.
Nope.
Good job.